Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your password on the Messenger application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen, then scroll down till you find the account settings section, tap on it, and then you should click on the security and login option in the security section. Then scroll down till you find the change password section, click on it. As you can see, you need to type in your current password first into the first box, and then your new password, and retype your new password again. After typing in all these three passwords, all you have to do is clicking on the Save Changes button in the middle of the screen to update your password. So then you will be able to use your new password from now on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.